Yeah, I've been a member of Collective Genius now for almost 11 years. One of the key reasons is there's just always been a consistency of value at every meeting, whether it's principles, tactics, or even, too importantly, connections. And so, that's continuously the case. And now, of course, there's a significant focus here within the group on multifamily syndications, storage, funds, and so that just continues to bolster the value. And that helped me to apply those characteristics to our both residential business and our multifamily business. In addition to that, the partnerships that have developed through CG, meaning connecting together with other like-minded members, and whether that be investing together with us in our apartment investing, or whether it be working together in a collaborative effort. At least a dozen people that have invested with us and, in excess of $5 million on an ongoing basis in various projects and various times. And it's really not about kind of a one-hit wonder, if you will. It's about the relationships that are developed, and then that collaborative effort of where we can benefit them through the investments that we have and the opportunity, and then they're able to also deploy capital with us. And so it's just been a great opportunity to connect together to facilitate quality outcomes for both parties. And that's just not just on a one-on-one basis. There's just really a diverse, big group of people that are here, a part of the group. This quarter, we had our first multifamily syndication, self-storage, and funds dedicated breakout hot seat room. And it was really a great focal point because each person, they're entrenched in the business, they're operating successfully, whether it be in a fund capacity that's, raised $100 million, or whether it be a lender or an apartment investor like myself, or self-storage. So it really had a good dynamic because each of the people there were focused in this area, this arena. A lot of great insights came about as a result of that, whether it was either raising capital or how they're dealing with some of the, challenges that may be faced right now in the current economic moment. And so, one of the folks talking about having to have a succession plan in place, meaning you've got all your financial planning documents in place, and that was definitely impactful. That's a thing that, we're working on as well. And then also one of the other individuals talked about raising capital, and that's really the thrust of what they do is raise capital and buy distressed assets. And that was a great creative way to talk about what they do. And then, just a focus on the operations and the opportunity that we face right now. And then, a fourth is the pursuit of your purpose. And so just a lot of great nuggets of wisdom collectively from the group. CG really provides a great opportunity to make connections. I mean, we've made connections with lenders, equity partners, as well as other operators. And so, again, the caliber of people that are in the group really is top tier caliber. And that's, one of the critical reasons. A good friend of mine, David, says that your net work is your net worth. And there's a lot of truth in that. And it really is because of the heart of the leadership, starting with Jason, about delivering value, creating impact, and helping people to become greater success in all areas of their life. And then that flows throughout the organization where you have people that are super high achievers, accomplished great things as it relates to business and life, and all coming together with a heart and a mindset towards sharing and empowering one another. And so it's an incredible group and an incredible organization from the characteristics, but also that it's coming from the top of the top in the country. There was a gentleman that came and he'd been on the fence thinking it wasn't applicable to him over the last 10 years. And he was in our breakout room and was just completely regretful that he hadn't made the decision to come 10 years ago, because his life and his business would be completely different than what it was today. And he said that on day one. And so the truth of the matter is there are people here that are already accomplishing or have accomplished what you want to accomplish. And so that's where you can connect together with them to cut down the time that it takes on figuring it out on your own.